Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an image link on Google Sites, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to make your images clickable, directing your visitors to other pages or websites effortlessly. First, start by opening your Google site and navigating to the page where you want to add your image. Once you've chosen or uploaded your image, click on it to select it. You'll notice a small toolbar appears right above the image. On that toolbar, look for the link icon and click it. Here, you have two options. You can link your image to another page within your site, or you can enter an external web address to redirect visitors elsewhere. Once you've made your choice, simply click Apply, and just like that, your image is now a clickable link. This simple trick is perfect for creating interactive menus, clickable banners, or even image-based navigation on your site. And the best part? It only takes a few clicks and no coding is required at all. That's it. Now you know how to make any image on Google Sites a clickable link. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try it out on your own site and explore more ways to make your pages interactive. Thanks for watching and happy site building.